I was raised by my grandmother, and I just wanted to put something together with my grandmother, so I came up with Raised in the South from her raising me. And for that, I dedicated what I'm doing right now to her. What made my decision was working as a chef for many years and coming in contact with people that always say, hey, you should be doing your own thing. You should try to get you a restaurant. So with that being said to me all the time, this was something that I wanted very deeply and dearly to do. And right now I'm going to do it.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, well done.
If you don't take a risk, then you'll never know the outcome. You know, and everybody always loves my food, and it's just like, it makes me feel really good to be able to put a smile on people's face. I probably make the best shrimp and grits in the South. It means a lot to her that I accomplished something that I talked to her about as a young boy. Something that I've dreamed since I've been 10 years old, and I'm 48 right now, and I'm about to live my dreams. Tony, it was really good. Like anytime I emailed or called, she responded quickly, answered any questions that I had. Even if it was something stupid, she was like, yeah, I got you, let me find out. You know, it was always, everyone was always responding and making me feel assured that everything was getting done.